All right, we're going to practice writing numbers in word form. So this number reads 352,253. So you're going to write the word in word form just like you say it. 300 52,000. So if you need help breaking this up, just look at your first three numbers. How do you say how would you just say that number, 352? But because the 2 is in the thousands place, we're going to say 352,000. And then how do we say this last part? 253. So 352,253. Okay, I have a new number here. Let's practice saying this number before we start writing it. And it's a big number, so let's cover these three. 470,691. 470,000, comma, 691. 470,691. So that if you see that your number is big, because these are big numbers, break them up. Just read the first three, or even if you don't have three. Let's try this one. I wrote the number, cover your hundreds, tens, and ones. We know how to say our hundreds, tens, and ones. So how do you say that number just like that? 48,111. And then you could write it out. $48,111. Okay, you're going to practice identifying numbers and their word form.